In this video, I'll show you how to increase your storage on your Xbox Series S or X. So there's a few methods and it's up to you to choose which one you prefer. So the first one and the easiest, I will start with the easiest one, is to go into the settings. So press the Xbox logo, navigate all the way to the right side, select settings. You're gonna go down where it says system, go where it says devices, select this. You'll know how much space you have left on your Xbox. Now this one should have 500 gigs of storage, but it only has 364. Why is that? It's because the Xbox software that your Xbox needs to run your games is taking a lot of space. This cannot be changed, unfortunately. But what can be changed is if you go on the left side here, you can select clear local Xbox 360 storage. This will free up a bit of space if you have 360 games. If you go just above, you have clear local saved games. If you select this, it will clear all the saved games that are saved on your console. Nothing will get affected if your saving were done on the cloud. So again, you can do this. Not many people will like this option, but it's there for you. You can also delete games and apps that you do not use usually. So from the main menu here, select the first one, games and apps. And from here, you're gonna have all the games. If you go on the left side, you're gonna have all your apps. Let's say I'm not using this one. Simply press this button here, select uninstall all, and it will delete the app. I know it's quite obvious, but many people forget about apps they never use, and this can take up a lot of space over time. From this screen, you can also go on the left side where it says manage, then go on the right side and select free up space. And here we have two options. The most interesting one is the shrinkable games. Select this, and if you have games that are compatible with this feature, they will appear over here and you will be able to shrink them and you'll still be able to play them at the same time. So just like it says here, it won't delete them. I honestly do not know what the Xbox does, but it just reduced their size while still being able to play them. And my final trick, and the one that makes the most impact on your memory, just go back and over here, select storage devices. Take a USB thumb drive that is at least 128 gigs or more and USB 3.0 or faster. Do not take an older one. You can also select a hard drive, connect it to your Xbox. And before connecting it, I forgot to tell you, but it needs to be formatted in NTFS. Do this on your PC as it says here, but it works on Mac too. I did it on my Mac and it works. Once you connect the USB thumb drive or hard drive, you're gonna see it right under here. And what we can do now is to transfer games on this USB drive. So to do this, select internal storage, select move and copy. Let's say I wanna move Mortal Kombat, select the game or app, go on the right side, select move selected. And here it will ask you if you want to move it on your USB storage that you just plugged in. It will tell you how much space you have left on your storage device, and when you're ready, simply select move and the game will be deleted from your console, but it will stay on your USB thumb drive that obviously you'll need to keep it connected if you want to have access to that game. Then another trick that you can do, go into the settings, go down where it says preferences, select capture and share, and this is where you can edit some settings regarding when you screen capture your gameplay. If you go over here where it says capture save location, you'll be able, by clicking on it, to switch to your USB thumb drive. This way, when you're recording gameplay, it will not take space on your Xbox. Everything will go on your USB drive. So this is another way how to save some space on your Xbox. If you have other tricks that I didn't talk in this video, please leave them down below. I'm sure it will be useful to somebody. If not, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.